Good day, children. Now let's do the next topic of our grammar textbook. The next topic is Nouns Possession. Please take page number 32 of your textbook and listen. What do you mean by nouns possession? What do you understand when you hear the word possession? Yes, possession means ownership, belongingness. Okay, so today we are going to learn how to show possession or ownership in sentences. Okay, so normally we show possession either with the help of group of words or by using apostrophe s or just apostrophe. Before we learn about the uses of apostrophe, let's have a look at how do we write, how do we show possession in sentences using a group of words. Look at this example, the bag belonging to Shobha. Here we want to express that the bag is owned by the noun or by the person Shobha. So either we can write it by saying the bag belonging to Shobha, or we can say it by using apostrophe. So if I am using apostrophe and saying it, it will change into Shobha's bag. The second example, the house of Abhi. Now here we are showing the possession of house. This house belongs to Abhi, the house of Abhi. So this can be written by using the apostrophe as Abhi's house. The next one, the sari of my mother. This can be changed by using the apostrophe into my mother's sari. Okay, so now we understood that to indicate possession we have to put apostrophe, we have to use apostrophe to indicate possession. Now what are the rules that we have to keep in mind before putting an apostrophe? If the noun is singular, then to indicate possession we can put apostrophe s. Understood? If the noun is singular, look at this example, children. Rahul's house. Now Rahul is a singular noun. So to indicate the possession we can write it as Rahul apostrophe s. So it will become Rahul's house. Now look at the next example, Mrs. Verma's bag. Here Mrs. Verma is a singular noun. So there also I can put apostrophe and write s to show the possession. Whereas if it is for a singular noun that is ending in s, for example Das is a noun which ends with the letter s, right? So there we do not have to repeat the s, we just have to put the apostrophe to indicate possession. So here that is the reason why I have not written s again, I have written only the apostrophe. And maybe you will have a tendency to write it in this way as Das apostrophe s house. But this is wrong. You cannot write it in this way because already there is an s, there is a s, so you don't have to repeat it, you just have to put the apostrophe to indicate the possession. Look at the next example, Chris bag. There also the noun is ending with the letter s. So to indicate the possession you do not have to write apostrophe s, instead you have to write only apostrophe, you have to put only the apostrophe to show the possession. Now regarding the plural noun, so you learnt in singular noun, if the noun is ending without s, then you can put apostrophe and also s to show the possession. If it is a noun that is ending in s, if it is a singular noun ending in s, then you have to put only the apostrophe Do not write s again. And here, if the noun is plural, for example, mice, we know mice is a plural form, right? We learned it in your previous lesson. Mice is the plural form of mouse. So here it is a plural noun, right? To show mice tails, here we can put apostrophe s because the noun is not ending in s. So you can write apostrophe as well as s to indicate possession. Here also the men's hats, men, we know men is a plural form because it is men. So it is plural. So there also to indicate the possession of a plural form we can put apostrophe and s. Okay. Whereas if it is a plural noun ending in s, then you don't have to repeat the s, you just have to put the apostrophe alone. Okay, you do not have to write s again, you just have to put the apostrophe. So that will become students' bags. Look at the next one, parents meeting. Parents, here it is referring in plural, it is referring to plural form. Okay, parents, that is why s is written here. Parent is singular and parents is plural, right? So there also I am not, we do not have to write s again, we just have to put the apostrophe to indicate the possession. Is that clear, children? Now the other thing that you have to keep in mind is when you show the possession of non-living objects, when you show the possession for things, you cannot write it using the apostrophe. It is a wrong way of writing. For example, the handle of the chair, there we have to mention as the handle of the chair itself. We cannot write it as chair's handle, like how we wrote the house of Abhi. The house of Abhi is a noun, right? Is a noun. It's a male gender. So there you can write Abhi's house. But for non-living object, for example, chair. Chair is a non-living object. So there you cannot write chair's handle. Instead of that, you have to write it as the handle of the chair. You cannot use apostrophes help. You cannot use apostrophe to indicate the position there. You have to write it in words itself. Other example is the heel of the shoe. Here also the heel of the shoe. Shoe is a neuter gender. So we cannot write, neuter gender means non-living thing or non-living object, right? So for that we cannot use apostrophe. There also you have to use a group of words to indicate the possession. So let's have a recap of today's lesson. We learned in order to show the possession, we can write it in two ways, either with the support of with a group of words or by using apostrophe. When you use apostrophe, we have to keep in mind that if it is singular noun without s, then you have to put apostrophe s to show the possession. But if it is a singular noun ending in s, then you have to put only the apostrophe to show the possession. No apostrophe s. Instead, we use only the apostrophe. In the same way, for plural noun, if it is ending without s, there we can put apostrophe and s to indicate the possession. Whereas, if it is a plural noun that is ending in s, then you have to put only the apostrophe to indicate the possession. You do not have to repeat s. Understood? Other than that, for non-living objects, we do not use apostrophe to show the possession. Instead, we use the group of words to show the belongingness. Okay? I hope that you have understood. You will be more clear when you do the exercises. Exercises will be discussed in Google session. Okay? Thank you.